Hello, welcome to lesson 2. Now in this lesson I shall be inserting various income types into the app. So now this is the database. I'm going to right click on the database. I'm going to say new query. Then I'm going to say insert into income types. So these are so I'm going to say insert into income types, income type name column values. These are the various stuff that will be inserted. So then I'll click execute. So you have 15 rows affected. Let's run the app to see whether we can actually access what has been inserted. So I click run.
Keep it now.
So here is our app. So I click on income types, menu link. And there you have them. Is it possible to add a new income type? Assuming we want to add a new income type called order. So let me do that again. To add a new income type, just click add. You click save. It says income type name is required. So I'm entering income type called order. I can search for the income type called order. Suppose I made a mistake on this, I can double click on it. Suppose it's orders, not order. So save. It's edited, as you can see. Suppose I want to delete the other stuff. So I've searched for it again. Press the delete button. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Yeah. So thank you for watching.